If you're looking for information on the Rhym Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Rhym Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Rhym Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Rhym Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. With new internet trends popping up every day, digital businesses have to put on a show to stay relevant. Creating interactive content would do wonders for your engagement, but figuring out how to make it happen can feel beyond your scope. Imagine if there was a platform that let you create interactive and gamified marketing content in just a few clicks. Personalize your content with your branding, custom logic, and CTAs to collect leads and drive purchases. Create a ton of gamified, interactive content in minutes without pouring time and money into traditional development. Rhym makes it easy to build gamified marketing content to boost brand engagement, drive sales, and capture more leads. With Rhym, you can create interactive content in minutes without code. Just choose from a ton of fully customizable templates designed to boost site engagement. You'll be able to craft premium game experiences that go beyond your standard wheel spin for a fraction of the time and cost. Leverage interactive quizzes to engage, educate, and convert users. And with valuable insights, you can use responses to offer shopping recommendations. Plus, you can use luck-based games to offer discounts and giveaways, generating more buzz around your marketing campaigns. Rhym offers an intuitive content editor that's super flexible and easy to use, so you can fully customize templates. You'll be able to upload images, add icons, and customize colors or fonts to fit your branding. This platform even allows you to scrape images from your website, which means you'll have immediate access to all your latest assets. Get results from your engagement by adding custom end screens that guide visitors to fill in their information or place an order. That means you can offer a discount code at the end of your game or quiz, giving folks a sense of achievement and pushing them to make a purchase. By customizing end screens with diverse logic and appearances, you can make variable offers based on user scores. You can also add CTA buttons to your end screen, directing users to your social media, a relevant product page, or anywhere else you choose. Rhym lets you choose from a collection of visual quiz layouts that capture your audience's attention wherever they see your content. You'll be able to share your interactive content with anyone anywhere via direct URL, site embed, website widget, and more. And because this platform integrates with your CRM and records quiz responses, you can segment and retarget your audience based on their answers. To hit your sales goals, you're going to need a game-changing marketing strategy. Lucky for you, Rhym is packed with everything you need to create gamified, interactive content that excites your leads and drives more sales. Gamify your marketing. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Rhym today. One-time purchase of $49. 60-day money-back guarantee.